Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif Saab, Field Marshal Syed Asif Munir, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sindhu Saab, Admiral Naveed Ashraf, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum, and a good evening to you all. 12 months have passed since one of the most important chapters in our national history. India chose unprovoked aggression on the basis of false flag of Pelgram incident and launched an airstrike on Pakistan's civilian and worship places without any justification. India's media misled the nation by projecting fabricated stories and dreams. Our nation and armed forces, under the dynamic leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asif Munir, gave a calibrated and shocking response to the Indian aggression. Our military was capable of causing far more discredit to the enemy, yet our response was measured, being a responsible and peace-preferring state. The professionalism and valor displayed by brave officers, men in uniform, our nation have made us proud and earned worldwide recognition. Pakistan Air Force proved that they are second to none. Our pilots faced a larger adversary and with extraordinary skills and confidence, and defended our skies with preparations. Whoa. Our Air Force downed 8 enemy aircrafts during the conflict, delivering a response that became a defining moment of the resolve and national pride. Pakistan Navy, through an operational preparation and combat capabilities, defended our seas, frontiers, compelling the Indian aircrafts to maintain a defensive posture. Our victory was confirmed to the military domination only. It reflected unity, harmony of our nation. It gave a message to the world, and again, that we remain united and vigilant in resolutions like a steel wall. Ladies and gentlemen, issue of illegal Indian occupation of Kashmir needs to be resolved in accordance with UN resolution. India authorities and gave human rights failed to deter brave Kashmiri people. Political and diplomatic support to just cause of Kashmir and Kashmiri people. Unilateral and illegal attempt by the Indians to suspend Indus Water Treaty amounts to hydro-terrorism and talks about the past where the world has fought wars called water wars. Water is a life for millions of our citizens, and by belated violations of the international laws endanger regional stability and most by addressed with seriousness. Indian sponsors terrorism in Pakistan through Afghanistan must end, and Afghanistan should not allow its soil to be used for terrorism in Pakistan and other neighboring countries. Pakistan calls for an immediate end to the suffering and genocide of the innocent women and children in Gaza. Pakistan reiterates its unwavering support to the legislative right of the Palestinian people of an independent state with Al-Quddus al-Sharif as its capital. Alhamdulillah, due to relentless efforts of the Prime Minister, and I mean it from the bottom of my heart, Prime Minister and Field Marshal Sayyid Asif Munir, Pakistan has emerged as a regional stabilizer. We want peaceful resolutions of US-Iran conflict. Pakistan mediation and efforts have been appreciated internationally and have helped to save the region from a larger and more destructive conflict. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to conclude by underlining that Pakistan nation and armed forces are well capable and always ready to defend our traditional integrity and national interests in the face of any challenge, inshallah. Pakistan Armed Forces, Zindabad. Pakistan, Paindabad.